as one of the best law college. How can we make it to greater heights from this university, just like how you did? And how can we play a proactive role and bring in a big change, which is need of the hour? Over to you, sir.
All the dignitaries who are here. And at the outset, I would like to thank the Vice Chancellor and other the foundation members for giving me an opportunity to be here amongst you. Just now, she asked some question. Only one thing. First of all, I have to introduce myself. I am A. Narasimha Reddy, advocate and chairman Bar Council of Telangana. Earlier also 2 terms I was chairman Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh also. But first of all, I have to tell you I am proud to be student of Osmania University, and furthermore I am further fortunate to be here as a standing counsel for Osmania University for the lower court since 1995. This gives me lot of satisfaction in my life, because always I treat Osmania University is my mother institution. Whatever I feel, to some extent I implemented. So far as legal, judiciary and a legal field also. So initially, as we know, everybody knows that Osmania University itself is a great institution. According to me, wherever we go, we from which university, we tell them that I am from Osmania University. That itself is a really, we feel proud about Osmania University. So far as a legal field is concerned, Osmania Law College got very great reputation earlier. As we know, recent past, some ups and downs. Ultimately, being a chairman, I attended one of the function along with the Vice Chancellor Garu. Recent times, when he took over charge as Vice Chancellor, that day I felt somehow, even law college also, there will be a lot of change in law college, Osmania Law College. Because earlier generation of lawyers, judges, most of them are from Osmania University, not only from Telangana area, from different parts of the state. And they also attended so many programs earlier. Radha Rani, Abhishek Reddy Garu, so many judges, they came here and participated so many programs. But one thing, we have to change a lot further, because now nearly 23, 24 national colleges in all over India, and private colleges like Jindal, so many colleges, why should I? Here, only hope Osmania through not only Osmania Foundation, Vice Chancellor also the day one. I personally appreciate him. He took over the institution in different manner. The first day when I attended the program, on that day openly I said from the stage, the day one he took a charge as a Vice Chancellor, the discipline and academic interests totally different. Like that, even law college also, no doubt, initially 3 years law college was there. Thereafter we introduced 5 years law college. And so many youngsters, not only from city, different parts of the state, rural area, they are coming and they are proving their mettle in courts. and other research areas also, as a being a Usmania law students. That's a great satisfaction, not only me, for everybody, but on par with the national law colleges. Especially research work is very, very important for the youngsters, that we have to take further to develop, and not only say, college and faculty, naturally infrastructure wise, we have to create so many facilities for the students. Really youngsters, they are concentrating, and everybody is interested in study of law, and more our research work towards the research. Definitely Usmania University, so far as law field is concerned, definitely will go further. And with the permission of the foundation, I will be always for the law college and law college development, because I am coming from Nallamala forest, rural area, Achampet, agriculture background, with nobody is there in profession earlier. I am the only person entered into legal profession. That way always, అంటే ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలంటే ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీ నేను రుణపడి ఉన్నాను. నాట్ ఓన్లీ స్టాండింగ్ కౌన్సిల్, I might have attended so many cases, but I never compromise in so far as the matters are concerned. Always treat this university as my mother institution, and the law department, whatever they interest me, I am also there as a alumni to help the university, and certainly we can hope we can also on par with all national colleges. More than that also we can improve with our background. Thank you.